So how do you screen record on your Android but without the background noise? Let me explain it and show you the options we have available. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course we can go to the control center like this and find the screen recorder toggle. So I can tap it like so, and it's gonna give me the pop-up asking me which sound option I would prefer. So it could be like no sound at all, meaning that only the video will be captured of the screen, no sound. Then we have the media, which means that we have the ability to capture internal sounds, which might be fine, like, you know, game sound effects, or I don't know, some alerts or whatever. But also we have the media and a mic, which means that you can even like speak over it, like add your voiceover or whatever is captured around the phone will also be part of that. So that is the first thing which you can select before we even get started. But let's say that you have the recording of the screen finished. What if you want to remove like the background or noise, which might be part of that? For this, I think that the best way to do it would be to use a noise remover app. So you can look something up on the Play Store, and there are plenty of apps. I have personally tried this one, which is working quite okay. Like, it is freely available, and you will essentially have the ability to import in here either audio or video file, run it through the app, and delete the background noise. So you're gonna have to wait for it to load up and everything, but once you go through it, it will probably work the way that you would expect. Actually, let me move in here to another phone where I already have this set up. So you can see on this device, I can show it to you that this is what the app looks like. So the noise reducer, and in here you can just bring in either, as I said, the audio clip or video clip. You can bring it in here. It's going to run through the app, and then it will let you play it back to see if you're happy with it, and if so, you can save it as a video or save it as audio only, and now it shouldn't have any like background or noise or anything part of that. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to show you and explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.